Itinataguyod ng mga guro sa Tadjan Mountain Province ang pagpapayaman sa kultura at pangangalaga ng mental health. Nagpaligsahan sa iba't ibang mga katutubong laro ang mga kabataan, guro at komunidad ng Barangay Masla sa Tadjan Mountain Province nitong Martes. Ito ay bilang pagdiriwang ng Teachers Day, Indigenous Peoples Day at Mental Health Day.
The event aimed to honor teachers, celebrate indigenous culture, and promote mental wellness. The students learned and experienced the traditional practices like Linangasan, Binayuan, Tinubakan, and Cookfest that features indigenous dishes, things they rarely see or experience today. These activities help them connect with their roots and feel proud of their identity. The games and group tasks also gave them a break from gadgets, encouraging teamwork, leadership, and emotional refreshments.
Ang nasabing aktibidad ay naging matagumpay sa pagtutulungan ng iba't ibang mga sektor.
The event was successful because everyone was together. It was led by the Supreme Secondary Learner Government, the Sangguniang Kabataan of Masla, the Parents Teachers Association, with the support of the Barangay LGU, and Masla Fire Substation.
While the event focused on students, it also helped teachers. It gave them a chance to relax, enjoy, and bond with the students outside the classroom. Even with limited rest, this kind of activity helps them recharge and reflect. It also supports SSLG's Project POT and connects well with learning goals across subjects.
Itinampok sa paligsahan ng Binayuan, Linangasan, Tinubakan, Sapon-Iit at Pigadan, Sanggol, Cookfest at iba pang mga laro. Ang aktibidad ay may temang Honoring Knowledge, Heritage and Health.